Psalm 121 was written for travelers, people on the move, people in transition, people walking uphill, both physically and spiritually. It is not a psalm of arrival, it is a psalm of the journey. This psalm does not deny danger, it acknowledges sun, night, hills, and weariness. But it boldly declares something greater. You are not unguarded. Every step, every breath, every crossing from one season to another is watched over by God Himself. Psalm 121 reminds us that help does not come from what we see in front of us, but from what one who sees everything, past, present, and future. When life feels unstable, Psalm 121 recenters us. It shifts our focus from self-radiance to divine recovery. You may feel tired, you may feel exposed, you may feel unsure of the next step, but this Psalm 121 reminds you that you are kept not by chance, not by effort alone, but by God's constant presence. Your strength is not measured by how much you can carry, but by who is carrying you. Lift your eyes, not in desperation, but in trust. Yes.